Copper sheets. Principles, types, and applications. This video will take an in-depth look at copper sheets. You will learn more about topics such as principle of copper sheets, types of copper sheets, and types of copper alloys, applications and advantages of copper sheets, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the principle behind copper sheets. Defining a copper sheet. Properties of copper sheets. Conductivity attributes of copper sheets. Joining techniques for copper sheets. Strength aspects of copper sheets. Formability of copper sheets. Corrosion resistance of copper sheets. Color variations in copper sheets. Tensile strength of copper sheets. Forgeability of copper sheets. Production process of copper sheets. Or extraction. Concentration. Smelting. Refining. Casting. Frequently asked questions. What makes copper sheets ideal for electrical applications? How do copper alloys enhance sheet properties? What thickness of copper sheet is best for crafts and electronics? Which copper alloys are best for marine or plumbing applications? Why are copper sheets preferred for architectural design? Where are most major copper sheet deposits located? Chapter 2. What are the different types of copper sheets and copper alloys? Types of copper sheets, thicknesses, grades, and applications. One mil copper sheet. 1.4 mil copper sheet. 5 mil copper sheet. 8 mil copper sheet. 10 mil copper sheet. 16 mil copper sheet. Manufacturing processes and surface finishes. Copper sheets are typically manufactured using one of several metalworking processes: rolled copper sheet, annealed copper sheet, electrolytic copper foil. Types of copper alloys and their properties. Brasses and copper sheets. Copper-nickel alloys. Copper-chromium zirconium. Copper C10100. Copper C11000 ETP. Nickel, aluminum, bronze. How to select the right copper sheet or alloy for your application. Electrical conductivity. Corrosion resistance. Workability and strength. Formability and thickness. Surface finish. Certifications. Chapter 3. What are the applications and advantages of copper sheets? Applications of copper sheets. Welding fixtures. Ground straps. Plumbing fitting and decorations. Power transmission. Heat exchanger. Automotive. Industrial. Electronics. Energy and petrochemical industries. Transportation. Crafts. Biological importance. Advantages of using copper sheets. Here are the key benefits of using copper sheets: high thermal and electrical conductivity. Resistance to corrosion. Antibacterial and biostatic properties. Recyclable copper. Soft, ductile, and malleable. Bacteriostatic property of copper pipe plumbing. Disadvantages of copper sheets. Considerations when choosing copper sheets. Alloys of copper sheets. Thickness of copper sheets. Copper finishing. Temper designation. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right copper sheet manufacturers for your needs.